Envision your savings immune to inflation, where your wealth isn't just safe, it grows. Today you'll unlock the investment secrets of the affluent. Imagine dollars, pounds, yen not as cold hard cash that comfortingly sits in your wallet, but as ice melting under the warm sun, a representation of a chilling reality. Fiat currencies are served with an inbuilt expiry date due to a phenomenon called inflation. As years tick by, the buying power of your money gets eroded. Today's cup of coffee will cost you more in the next 5 years, silent thief chipping away at your wealth. But there is a defense strategy. Wise investments, such as in properties, stocks, or even cryptocurrencies, can not only preserve your wealth, but potentially expand it. They act like sunshades, shielding your ice, the heat. So it's crucial to remember, while holding cash may seem safe, it's often subtly melting away. Let your money work for you. Invest judiciously. Transform your wealth into a perennial iceberg, not a fleeting snowflake.